We shall take up PYQs which have appeared in different competitive examinations relating to important reactions, two important reactions of glucose. As we know, glucose is C6H12O6 and has a skeleton structure like this. Now, let us go through the question. The first question is, during acetylation of glucose, it needs X moles of acetic anhydride. The value of X would be 1, 3, 4, or 5. Four options are there, and we have to find out the correct option. Naturally, therefore, we need to write the reaction taking place. Depending upon the structure of glucose, we find that there are 1 primary and 4 secondary alcoholic groups in glucose. Each of them would take part in acetylation of glucose. And here it is. The reaction is like this. This is acetic anhydride. 5 molecules of acetic anhydride react with 1 molecule of glucose to form the product giving out acetic acid also. And here is the structure. There is 1 primary group as represented here and 4 secondary group, that is CHOH, as represented here. Accordingly, each group, all the groups, whether it is primary or secondary, both the groups react with acetic anhydride in a process of acetylation where CH3COO group is attached to either primary alcoholic group or to the secondary alcoholic group. And therefore, we find that there are 5 molecules of acetic anhydride which are used. Therefore, naturally, we find the correct answer out of these is option D. That's the correct answer. Now, let us move to the other question. The other question is that glucose, when treated with HCN, forms a product X, and this product X is hydrolyzed, gives a product Y, and the product Y, when heated with HI, forms the product Z. We are required to identify what is Z, and the 4 options are given here. We have to find out the correct option. Now, accordingly, as usual, we have to write down and find out the product X, Y, and finally Z. We have to write down the reaction. We know what is glucose. Glucose is an aldose, and when it is treated with HCN, it will form a cyanohydrin because the aldehydic group reacts with hydrogen cyanide to form a cyanohydrin. This, when hydrolyzed, gives a carboxylic acid CN group, that the cyano group on hydrolysis forms COOH group, and the CHOH group remains intact. Thereafter, we find that there is CHOH4. Secondary alcoholic groups are already there, and this is represented separately because it is formed as a result of hydrolysis of cyanohydrin. And this, when treated, the product, when treated with HI and heated, that is hydrogen iodide, along with a little heat, you get a carboxylic acid containing 5 CH2 groups and finally CH3. And if we find it out, it is nothing but heptanoic acid. Therefore, we can definitely say that our correct answer out of the 4 options given here is at option D. That is, heptanoic acid is the correct answer. Okay, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.